Morning, guys. Today we are installing the Mosmatic wand holder by Obsessed Garage. So let's get into today's video. In the package, you will get the Mosmatic wand holder. This is the version 2 that they have, so it is the shorter version. I thought typically we would get like a Mosmatic logo, but they send a Obsessed Garage logo instead. So I'm gonna probably put this on with no logo. It looks clean. It doesn't come with anything else aside from the holder. Now you can opt for a drywall attachment, but I'm going to put this in concrete, so don't need nothing aside from some anchors, screws, 1/4-inch masonry bit, and a hammer drill. So let's get started today. All right, obviously the first thing you want to do is determine where you want to put this, and I'm going to actually put it right here on the side of my garage door. Dang, this garage door looks terrible. I need to replace this thing. We'll put some foam in there, one of the two. Temporarily, I had a wand holder set up there, and I'm going to move my foam cannon mount to up here above the wand holder. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is measure, see where you want to put it, and drill into the concrete. So let's get it. All right, and determining on where you want to put it, it should look something like that. Yeah, I still got to clean the ground from the dust that came out of the blocks. But super simple, sturdy, clean, not cheap, but effective. It gets everything off of that wall, and then I got to patch up all these holes, get everything off. It's coming together. It's coming together, guys. And just like that, guys, all finished up. Wand holder. And I take this back. This actually is not the Mosmatic wand holder. This is actually the OG spec. It's a custom 18-inch that they made. So I mistakenly called it a Mosmatic. It is not. So I'll put the link in the description below where I got that. And anything else you guys want to know where I got, let me know. Need to patch up these holes. Be good to go. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. See you in the next one.